Hi everyone. In this week's asynchronous lesson, we're looking at a famous freedom song from the United States. It's called We Shall Overcome. And the words and music are by Zilphia Horton, Frank Hamilton, Guy Carawan, and Pete Seeger. We Shall Overcome is a famous freedom song. It is based on a Southern hymn, and during the Civil War, the Union soldiers would sing this. Now, it is a musical symbol of the civil rights movement and of the work of Martin Luther King Jr. Looking at this piece of music, we see there's some numbers, we see a lot of lyrics, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4 stanzas of music. And I want to just walk you through how to read the lyrics so that you're not confused when you're singing along to the recording, which is down below this video. Up here, you're going to start at verse 1. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. And instead of going to the second line here, you're going to go to the next stanza and read the top line to continue with that first verse. We shall overcome someday. Same thing, you go to the end of the stanza and you come to the next stanza, top line. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. And then the final stanza, top line for verse 1, we shall overcome someday. And then, as always with hymns, you're going to go back to the top after you complete that first verse, and you'll go to the second verse. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. You go to the second stanza, second line to continue. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. We'll walk hand in hand someday. And then you'll do the same thing with verse 3 and verse 4, and I'll walk you through verse 5 really quickly. Truth shall make us free. Truth shall make us free. Go to the next stanza and the last line to continue reading verse 5. Truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. Truth shall make us free someday. Now, below this video, you'll find the PDF to click on to read this song, read along with the lyrics and sing along while you listen to the MP4 of this, which is two links down below this video. Have a great time singing this freedom song, and I can't wait till we're back in person to sing this together.